Thank you very much, Governor. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, and all protocol observed in the interest of time. Your Excellency, I've got a few remarks to make, but before I do so, please allow me to introduce some of the colleagues who are here with us. I would like to introduce my PS, Agriculture PS, Dr. Rono, who is here with us. I would like also to introduce the PS for the MSME. Susan Mangeni is here, Susan. And also the PS Correctional Services, Dr. Salome is also here. Thank you very much. Excellency, I would like to take this. Vile, Your Excellency, I'm reminded that the members of the County Assembly are also here. So if there are members of the County Assembly who are here, could you please rise up so that we can recognize you? Thank you very much indeed. We appreciate you. And also if there are members of Parliament present, members of Parliament. Are there members of Parliament present? Wabunge. Aya, pia wabunge wako hapa. Asanteni sana. Thank you so much. Your Excellency, may I take this opportunity on behalf of the Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock Development, the Agricultural Society of Kenya, and the stakeholders in the agricultural sector to welcome you to this year's Nairobi International Trade Fair. We are glad and privileged to have you grace this important event in the agricultural trade and shows calendar. Indeed, this amply demonstrates the priority which your government has accorded this sector. This year's trade fair brings together stakeholders from across the agricultural value chain, manufacturing sector, micro, small and medium enterprises, academia, research institutions, and international partners. It is a living demonstration of our shared commitment to transform Kenya into a competitive, food secure, stable, and industrially robust economy. I wish to particularly recognize the participation of farmers, youth innovators, county governments, regional exhibitors, and international delegations who have enriched this forum with new ideas, technologies, and market solutions. Your Excellency, this year's trade fair comes at a critical moment in our country's economic journey. This fair is not just a celebration of agriculture, but a testament to the critical role this sector plays in the growth and development of our nation. The government, under your leadership, continues to invest in enabling infrastructure, agricultural productivity, digitization of production, and trade services, as well as strengthening of export promotion frameworks. These efforts are already bearing fruit. Our country, sir, is undergoing significant transformation. Agriculture is at the very heart of this transformation. We appreciate the support rendered to farmers through targeted production side inputs, linkages to markets, and guaranteed minimum earnings. We are already witnessing, sir, the result of this transformation and reforms through increased production of maize, sugarcane, tea, rice, coffee, dairy, and meat value chains. Very importantly, farmers are getting higher earnings for their produce and on time. Your Excellency, the Ministry will continue to accelerate this transformation by enhancing crop and livestock quality and production, local value chain addition, and technology adoption, among other interventions. As we have all witnessed in the past 1 year, our national security is not just about food and nutrition secure, but also about providing decent, new, dignified, and digitized jobs and opportunities for our young people. This sector must deliver on the promise of a new dawn for Kenya and by Kenya. It must become profitable and worthwhile. This is our singular goal at the ministry, and to achieve this, we are embracing and co-creating new ways of doing things and thinking, both internally and externally, within the ecosystem, for these are extraordinary challenges and times. Your Excellency, artificial intelligence is at the core of the Minister's commitment to spearheading this transformation by making data-driven, evidence and science-based policy decisions. Through the foundation laid by our research centers at the Kenya Agricultural and Livestock Research Organization, to leveraging on analytics from the Kenya Integrated Agricultural Management Information System, which we are transforming into a continental center of excellence on agricultural data at the Agricultural Information Resource Center. We are very well positioned to pivot and lead the way. By infusing technology with youthful exuberance of well-trained, digital-first, highly motivated, and industry-certified market courses, our agripreneurs from the Kenya School of Agriculture, Bukura Institute of Agriculture, and the Animal Health Industry and Training Institute, AHITI, we are closing the gap that has hitherto existed in the last-mile agricultural extension services. With these remarks, Your Excellency, it is my humble duty and responsibility to ask the people in this stadium to please stand up so that we can heartily welcome Your Excellency to address and open the 2025 Nairobi International Trade Fair. Asanteni sana, tukaribie rais wetu, makofi tafadhali. Karibu, Your Excellency.
Asante sana waziri, tafadhali tunaweza keti chini. Thank you.